Well, it's snowing here in Stanley, North Carolina. I don't know that this will be all we get this year, but it's real wet. It's not sticking. It's 35 degrees out. So yeah, I wanted to video it in case this is all we get this year, because you never know. It's been snowing off and on all day. I've been in Charlotte and Pineville, and it's been snowing and sleeting all day off and on. But I just think it's beautiful, so I wanted to kind of get some recording of it just to show people, in case you don't get snow where you're at. I feel you, because we don't either, hardly ever. But, you know, we are right now, so ain't it pretty? I just love it, love it, love it. There's our Hardee's in Stanley. Big old flakes coming down. Hitting the window, they're just so big. Oh, sounds like snowballs hitting the window actually. It's so loud. That's our old graveyard. I've been driving all day, and it's 1:47, and I have been driving in this wet, messy stuff all day long. And it's been just like this off and on all day. And it's not laying. Well, I don't know. It's actually looks like it might be a little bit in this lane. Anyway, I don't know. We'll see. I'll just video it and let y'all see. Look at this. Big old flakes. He said for me to go. Yay. It's so pretty. Can't help it to show you. I wish we would get so much that just stayed and laid, and I just love it. But no, probably not. Usually though, here in North Carolina, our snow season is like February. That's our big month for snows most of the time. And today is January the 30th. So, I think, or 31st, I can't remember. It's Friday, January something. Look at that. Crazy. I'm just showing y'all. I'm almost home, and then I'll stop recording. But temperature is 35. Huge flakes, y'all. I've not seen any this huge in a long, long time. God. Good gracious. A good day to sit and do charting, I guess. Good evening. So I got piles of it. I've been busy today. Gosh, I was out sick yesterday, so I moved a couple patients from yesterday to today, and then added on top of what they gave me, and I've been busy. So I got a lot of charting to finish up when I get home. Looks like it's lightening up. I don't know, whatever. I just love looking at it. guess that's it, folks. They're clearing off woods down there. See all that? So that they can build more houses. Here's my little house. Okay, y'all. I'll be back later. Bye.